Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to create and manage a multilingual knowledge base in BoldDesk. I'll show you how to translate a category, section, or article to another language. I'll also show you how to publish and manage translated articles along with the permissions required. Finally, I will show you how to restore deleted articles. BoldDesk offers a multilingual knowledge base feature that allows you to provide your customers and employees with resource materials in their preferred languages. This feature enables you to create and view knowledge base articles in multiple languages, enhancing your ability to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Let's see how to set up a multilingual knowledge base in BoldDesk. Log into your BoldDesk agent portal and navigate to the KB module. To set up a multilingual KB, you first have to enable and configure multilingual support in your BoldDesk tenant. To learn how to enable and configure multilingual support, follow the link provided in the card above and description below. Now, let's see how to create and manage a multilingual knowledge base. In the KB module, you will find a list of created categories, sections, and articles, and you can translate them to any other supported language. First, let's see how to translate a category. On the KB module page, select the language you want to translate a category into. Then, select the category you want to translate under the Manage Articles section. Click the More Options icon and select Edit. This will open the category edit page corresponding to the selected translation language. Enter the category name and description. The primary language settings for that category will be applied for the remaining information. Then, click Update to save the translation. Next, let's see how to translate a section. Once you select a language in which to translate a section, open a category and select the section to translate. Click on More Options and select Edit. Then, enter the section name and provide a description, if any, corresponding to the selected translation language. Finally, click Update to save the translation. Note two things when translating a category or section to a secondary language. You can only modify the title and the description of the category or section you want to translate. Deleting or moving a category or section in one language will result in the deletion or movement of the same category or section in other languages as well. Now, let me show you how to translate and publish knowledge base articles. To publish a translated article, you need to have the Publish Article permission enabled for your role. To learn how to manage roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the documentation link in the video description. Navigate to the KB module and open the article to be translated. On the Article View page, select the language you want to translate the article to from the drop-down, or click the Translate option in the Languages panel. Then, enter a title and description for the article. In the Settings section, you can add tags and provide the SEO-related settings based on the language you are translating the article to. You can save the translated article as a draft, send it for review, or publish it depending on the permissions provided. To learn more about setting up article approval workflows in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above and description below. Now let's see how to manage translated articles. To ensure the uniformity of article content across various translated languages, it is essential to ensure that all articles contain the same information. Whenever modifications are made to an article in one language, it is important to also update the corresponding content in the same articles written in other languages. To streamline this process, you can label articles in other languages as outdated when updating the article in one language. This serves as a reminder to make the changes in the other language articles. When updating a primary article, you can mark all the translated articles based on it as outdated by using the Mark All Translations as Outdated option available when republishing the primary article or on its details page. You can also mark individual article translations as outdated on their respective article details page. To perform this action, open a translated article and click the Mark as Outdated option. After updating an article with the most recent information, you can also mark it as up-to-date after choosing the secondary language from the language menu. Finally, let's see how to restore deleted articles. Deleted articles for primary and secondary languages can be restored from the Deleted Articles section only by users whose role has the Restore Article permission enabled. In BoldDesk, all the system-defined roles have the permission to restore articles enabled by default. Navigate to the Deleted Articles section. This will list the deleted articles. Click the Restore Article icon for an article. You will be asked to confirm the restoration of all the translated articles for that primary article. Clear the checkbox if you don't want to restore the article in all languages. Finally, click the Restore button to restore the article. On restoring a deleted article, the category and section related to that article will also be restored. Similarly, you can also restore translated articles by selecting a language and then clicking the Restore option for the translated article you want to recover. When restoring a translated article, its primary language article will also be restored. On restoring a translated, deleted article, the primary article along with its category and section will also be restored. Let me summarize what we covered. In this video, I explained how to create and manage a multilingual knowledge base. I also explained how to translate a category, section, or article to a secondary language, as well as how to publish and manage translated articles. In addition, I explained how to restore deleted articles. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.